If you have ever tried making an AI story video, you already know the problem. Your character looks perfectly in scene one, and by C5, they got a different face, different passport, sometimes a different age, which basically moves the whole story. Hey, welcome back to Web Steps. After a lot of trial and error, I finally found a method that keeps AI character consistent. Same face, same outfit, same colors, same style across an entire story, even past 30 scenes or more. So, and today I'm showing you exactly how I do it. In this video, I'll walk you through how to log a character appearance using a reference image, the exact prompt software that stop your character from gifting scene to scene, and how to keep everything in place, the colors, the heartbeats, and the overall style. So stick around to the end because I'm also dropping links to every resource I used right in the description. So if you're ready to finally make I'm here story videos that don't fall apart halfway through, let's get into it. Don't forget to subscribe for this channel. Hi everyone, today we will see how we can create consistent images like this. In this channel, we can see they are using a character which is coming consistently. So for today's video, I will be using Google Labs, so which is on Google Flow. In this, we can see that I have already created some consistent characters. So let's see how we can create these kind of images for our script. So for today's video, I'll be using some set of prompts. For this, I've given the link in the description. You can find it. Let's go back to the reference channel. First, start by taking a screenshot of the videos to get the title ideas. So let's head back to the ChatGPT where we can give our first prompt in order to generate ideas. Paste the screenshot and also the prompt. Click generate. Now we are getting the list of title ideas. From this, we can select whichever we like. So I will go with the 7 prompt, which I like it. Now, in order to create the script, copy the script generation script and paste it into the chat GPT. Let's replace the placeholder with our title and click generate. While the script is getting ready, let's copy the prompt for the image generation. Now we can see our script is getting ready, right? Once the script is done, we can continue with our image generation prompt. Now it is done. Let's copy it and place it in a notepad. Now let's create the image generation prompt. Paste it and replace this placeholder with our actual script. Click enter. Now it will create 30 image prompts for our written script. If you want to update the number, you can update it. So now our image generation prompt is ready. Let's copy one of these and let's go back to the Google Labs where I need to give my reference image also. To create your reference image, you can use Gemini. Gemini is a good model which help you to create the reference images. Now I will select these two. As you can see, I've already created the reference image for my character with consistent face using the Gemini model in different angles. One is the full body and another is the close-ups, so which we can use in future case. Now I will go with the full shots only. Let's add it to the prompt. Once it is added, let's add our first image generation prompt also. Now here we can see we have Nano Banana, Nano Banana Pro also. Now I will go with the Nano Banana 2 itself, and you can see it is 0 credit only. Let's generate. So our image is ready, but you can see the right side of the image is having a different face color. I will go with the left side one because it looks nice for me. So to create the second image, let's copy the second prompt. Use the same reference images, click generate. We need to use reference image in every prompt. Then only we will get consistent result. Now, this time I will go with the right side one because I like it better. I have already created the image for the third prompt. I want to show you the fourth image prompt, which is a close-up shot. So here we can upload our close-up shot reference. Let's go to the close-up and pick one close-up image, add it to the prompt, and click generate. So based on the shot, you can upload your reference image. Here we can see I've already created consistent images with multiple prompts, but sometimes it may give inconsistent result also. That's why we are doing manually now. It is always better to do manually because if we do any automated workflows, it will also give us the same kind of result. In order to have consistent images, it is better to go with the manual workflow. Now, our image is ready for the close-up shot. It looks cute, right? So let's see now what will happen if I create an image in Google Labs without a reference image. Let's copy the fifth prompt and give it into the chat and click generate. Now we can see it has created the images with some random characters because we didn't provided our reference image. So that's why it is important to provide reference image in every prompt. So let's try by adding our own reference image again with the same prompt and click generate. While it generates the image, I want to give some suggestion to match your script sentences with your images because now we have created a lengthy script, but we are only creating 30 images. What I would suggest is once you create the 30 image, reframe the script which you write before to match with those images. So in that way, you can easily match your images with the script sentences. Then later, if you want to have multiple images for each scene, you can have it. That will be easy because when you try to create images for the script which you're having currently, it will be really difficult. It is always better to reframe the script once you have created all the images for yourself, and then later you can add multiple images for each scene. But make sure to read the script once and make sure you like it. Let's go back to the Google Labs and let's see our image. Yeah. Now this time, the image is generated with our reference character. It is good. Next, I want to show you how you can create voiceovers for your script. For this, we are going to use AIstudiogoogle.com. Here you can find this playground, right? Go to the playground. There you can see multiple agents and also the models. We will go to the models and we will use the speech and music model. Here we have Gemini 3.1 Flash. Let's select that. And I will pick the master storyteller. So once you come to this, here we can see the selected speaker and we have the model settings where we can control the temperature. Let's open the speaker settings where we can select our speaker and also we can configure some settings for the speaker. I will change the style from whisper to newscaster because whisper is for like kind of mystery stories. We are doing some kind of narration, right? So I will go with the newscaster. Next, the pace. I will go with the natural because I don't want a slow voiceover. It should be natural. The action can be anything. I will leave it as it is. Let's update this audio profile to psychology narrator. Close this. Here we need to add our script. It's always better to go with less content first to test out. So let's copy this content and paste it here. Now let's run it. There's a certain moment that some people know surprisingly well. You get home after spending time with people you genuinely like. The conversation was good. Nobody upset you. Nothing went wrong. And yet, instead of feeling energized, you feel strangely depleted. It sounds really good. So make sure to create the voiceovers for each of your scenes, but don't copy paste all the script at once. Today, we have seen how we can create consistent images using the labs.google, which is a Google Flow, which provides nano banana models, which we can use to create consistent images. So these are the images which we have created in this video. And apart from that, we have also created the voiceover. So in AI Studio, you can create image also, but in here, I couldn't able to find the Nano Banana Pro. So that's why I use Google Labs. Here we can find the Nano Banana with video generation also, but for that we need credits. So that's it from this video. Thanks for watching.